What's up and welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today's ride, 2013 model Camaro SS. This one here, cammed up motor. This is a 6.2. Sounds awesome. 6-speed. Really clean all the way around. It's got the stripe kit. Thing's pretty sweet. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, share this video. Also check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping. For now, sit back, relax, because it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, we'll look around the interior. You don't have to place bets on this one. You know the horn works. Got a nice stereo system, showing 85,000 miles. Let's see. There we go, you can see that. Plain as day there. This one does have a tire sensor issue. I don't know if the sensors are in the tires or they're not reading correct. But it does pop up on the dash right there. See the little light. And of course, what we're going to do is take this down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know what you're getting. We don't do any kind of work to these, but everything on this one seems to work pretty good. You got wipers, the radio kicks on. You got freezing cold AC. You tap the traction button, turn the traction off and on. Turns it in competitive mode. Pretty sweet ride. Windows nice and clean. All right. The whole car just sits here and rumbles with that cam. It sounds good. It's pretty good. Let's go ahead and hit the road. And of course, anything that comes up, I'll let you know. Okay, getting ready to take off here. This is the first time I've driven this ride. So we're gonna roll on down the road. Do this out of my way here. Feels pretty good going down the road. Try to get her up in fifth there. There we go. Fifth, sixth, back down to fifth, down to fourth, third, second, and of course first here. Spinning a little bit. Not too bad. It's nice and silky going through all the gears there, straight as an arrow down the road, tight steering, and everything's working across the dash here. We're gonna get some outside shots over here in the parking lot, some undercarriage stuff, and then walk around the car looking for chips, scratches, and flaws. Anything else I see, again, you'll know about it. I'll be right back. Okay, got y'all set up on the head cam here. Let's take off. I went ahead and just turned traction off, and then there's another setting on there. What does it say? It says traction, and then it says stable track competitive mode. I just gonna leave it in that for now, so we can really feel it. There's old LT1 car. Nope, that's the 6-cylinder. Wait on a little bit of this traffic to get by us here. But so far so good. This car is awesome. It's got a great cam sound, cold air. Of course, it's 5 o'clock right now, so there's traffic everywhere. Everybody's trying to get home. I did notice with the cam, you want to stay into the throttle on this one as you're taking off, because I don't know, it just lopes. Like if I just barely give it, no, it's not doing too bad. Let's go. I love the click. Like, check that out. You hear it? I love the click. Really let you know you're in gear. Feels good. Just as it should be. Nice and smooth. And again, the only thing that's popping up on the dash is the service tire monitor system. It's probably just a sensor inside the tire. Right around the corner from the car lot. If you don't mind, hit subscribe. We're going to picking out the flaws now, guys. I'll be right back. Love the way this drives. Good deal. Okay, picking out the flaws. Let's walk around this ride. Anything I can find, you'll know about it. Go ahead and open the hood here. Up close and personal. Coming around the front end. Does have some bugs, a couple little scratches here in the nose, one right there as well. Chip here. Spot there and there, and that stripe. So a little chip here. Picked up some grass in this parking lot, I guess. Some tape there. A little spot here. I just cleaned this thing off before we left too. Picked up some dirt from the road, a little scuff in the back. It's dirt. Front windshield on this one looks great. Little scratch here. few bubbles on that back window. A spot here. Around on the back. What, I set the alarm on? I got the keys in my pocket. I bumped up against the back here. Feeling going on that stripe there. Like I said, the back window's got some bubbles in it, in the tint. Yeah, I even hit the gas cap on my key. Little scuffs there. Chip here. This car's in great shape, especially for the miles. You got some little bugs and stuff on here that can be taken off, but little chip in the windshield there. We'll go ahead and check out the interior, get her started up, listen to the motor with the hood up. Door panel on this one looks pretty good. So does your jams. Your seat's got a stain right here. Probably had a drink in his lap, whoever it was driving this. Down with the hood. guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, share this video. It helps me out quite a bit. Go to maplemotors.com for financing, shipping, and detailed pictures. Again, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.